Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about how to calculate relation between U and V and focal length of this concave mirror. Okay. So first of all, this is the ray diagram. This is the concave mirror, and this is the position of object, and this is center of curvature. This is focal point. This is focus point, and this is focal point, and focal length, and this is radius of curvature. This is image formation. First ray to concave mirror, as we know. First ray passing parallel to principal axis. Then after reflection, it is passing to focus. And second ray it passes to it should be perpendicular to curvature. Okay. These are the ray diagram. Now today we are going to discuss about relation between UV and focal length. Okay. Relation between UV and focal length. Okay. So first of all, we are going to just use simple trigonometry. So in triangle, AB in triangle. Just look at this one. Triangle AB and C. Triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash and C. Triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C. Just you have to draw ABC and triangle A dash B dash C. Okay, so these two triangles are similar. Just you have to prove. This is B, this is A, this is B dash, this is A dash, and this is our center. Okay, now this perpendicular, this 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. Okay. Now these all are vertically opposite. These angles are vertically opposite. Okay. This angle and this angle all are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. Why? Because these are alternate angles. So we can say that this triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay. So now we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B dash C. Okay. Now in similar triangle, as we know, a property of similar triangle, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So corresponding side of AB is nothing but A dash B dash, and corresponding side of BC is nothing but B dash C dash. Okay. So we can say that AB upon A dash B dash is equal to BC upon B dash. Equation number 1. Now we are going to take another pair of triangle. Another pair of triangle is nothing but we have to take this triangle, this lower triangle. Now in triangle, is it clear? Up to equation number 1. Now in second case, we are going to take this triangle and this triangle, this total triangle. We are going to take this pair. Now in triangle, our first equation is AB upon A dash B dash is equal to BC upon B dash. This is our first equation. Okay. Now we are going to take another pair. Another pair is nothing but this triangle, this total triangle. We have to compare this total triangle to this lower triangle. Okay. Now we can say that in this triangle, ABP, in triangle ABP and triangle, this triangle A dash B dash, in triangle ABP and A dash B dash B. These both triangles are also similar. Because angle B is equal to angle B dash, because 90 degree. Because this angle is 90 degree. Now another one is in this triangle. Look at this triangle. These these angles are equal according to laws of reflection. According to laws of reflection, this angle should be equal to this angle. ठीक है, through a plane surface. So as we know, angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. So angle AP ADS should be equal to angle, sorry, not AP ADS, APB should be equal to angle P ADS. Okay, because the angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. The third one is this triangle, in this triangle and in this triangle. This angle is nothing but we are talking about this 90 degree. This 90 degree already we have discussed about that. Yeah. Another one is this angle. Now this angle is nothing but this total height should be equal to this angle. In similar triangle, as we know, this angle should be equal to this angle should be equal to this angle. Okay. Already we have discussed about if two triangles, if two angles are similar, then third one also be equal. So we can say that angle A should be equal to angle ADS. Okay, is it clear? So we can say that ABB is equal to ADS B. So both are similar. Then we can say that both are similar. So if both are similar, then corresponding sides, ratio of corresponding sides are also equal. So corresponding sides are nothing but AB upon ADS BDS. AB upon ADS BDS is nothing but BP upon BDS B. This is our equation number 2. Is it clear? Okay. Now by equation 1 and 2, we can say that this ratio both are similar. So this will be also equal. Okay. Now by equation 1 and 2, we can say that BC upon BDS should be equal to BP upon BDS. This is our conclusion. Now we have to calculate value of BC as well as BDS and BP as well as BDS from given diagram. Okay. Now we have to calculate values of BP, BDS, BC and BDS in terms of U, V and focal length. Okay, focal length of this concave beam. Now BC we can write from this diagram. We can write BC is nothing but BP minus CP